Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning children, I am Shereen from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take 5th standard social science. This topic comes under towards history. In the previous classes we have learnt about Stone Age. Under Stone Age we have learnt about the Paleolithic Age. In today's class we are going to learn about Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic Age. The word meso means middle and lithic means stone. So Mesolithic Age is also called as Middle Stone Age. This is the transition period. Which means this is the middle stage between the Old Stone Age and the New Stone Age. That is why it's called as Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic Age is a Greek word. Mesolithic Age started before 8000 BCE years ago. The word BCE is before Common Era. The Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age started before 8000 BCE years. It is called as period of transition between the Old Stone Age and the New Stone Age. And Mesolithic Age is the blend of two societies existing at the same times. It is the combinations of two societies which is existed at the same time. And the two societies are Horticultural Society and Pastoral Society. The word horticulture means gardening. It is a technology which is used to cultivate plants, and pastoral society is a technology which is used to domesticate animals. Domesticate animals means which is used to grow animals. So this is all about the introduction of Mesolithic Age. Development during Mesolithic Age. These are some categories that developed during the Mesolithic Age. First one, farming. Farming is the cultivation of crops on a large scale which have been developed during the Mesolithic Age, that is 8000 BCE years ago. And the second one is they started domesticate plants and animals, which means they started growing the plants and animals on their own. And the third one is they started develop pottery. They have made their own pots which have been developed during this Mesolithic Age. The humans during Mesolithic Age hunted and fished animals. They ate the animals by hunting and they ate the raw flesh of the animals. They lived in a sedentary lifestyle, whereas the Paleolithic Age people lived a nomadic life. Nomadic life means they wander from one place to another. They did not have a settled life. That is called as nomadic life. Whereas this Mesolithic Age people started living in a sedentary life. Sedentary life means settled life. They started living in a settled life. Shelter. Shelter is a place where the people live. So the Mesolithic Age people lived in huts instead of caves. The Paleolithic Age people lived in caves, whereas the Mesolithic Middle Stone Age people lived in a place called huts. Tools used by the people during Mesolithic Age are bows and arrows, fish hooks and harpoons. In the Paleolithic Age, they have used stones, bones and woods as their tools and weapons. These people used bows and arrows, fish hooks, harpoons.
Now I am going to give you some notes for Mesolithic Age. You can go through it so that you will understand Mesolithic Age better.
nothing but the Middle Stone Age, which is started during 8000 BCE years ago. Mesolithic age is called as a transition period. It is a period of transition between the Old Stone Age to the New Stone Age. And during Mesolithic age, the people started living in huts instead of caves. They had a sedentary life. During this age, they developed farming, domesticate animals and plants. They have developed potteries. Tools used during the Mesolithic age, they are bows and arrows, fish hooks and harpoons. Harpoons are the weapons which is used to catch large fishes like whales in the seas. So this is all about the Mesolithic age. Thank you. If you like the video, click the like button and do subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.